Well, good afternoon from North Yorkshire. I'm actually staying in Cumbria, but we've just crossed the border to North Yorkshire, Ingleton. Staying in a nice little cabin. Been there before a few years ago. Absolutely no one else on the site, which is fabulous. I think there's one other couple. But yeah, so it's quite late. It's about nearly 2ish. Just been enjoying the cabin the last sort of 48 hours, hot tub. But yeah, needed to get out. So we are about to do the waterfall trail, Ingleton. A little touristy for me, but it's nice it's being looked after, and it's £11 to get in. But yeah, so plotted another route up from the cabin. There seems to be a few gorges and waterfalls there too. So yeah, that's 17k. We didn't feel like it when we woke up this morning, so we'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, a bit of a waterfall hunt the next couple of days. But yeah, it's 4 miles I think. So yeah. I kind of feel like this route's a bit of a rite of passage for a northerner, but never had any school trips here, never been, nothing, so guess we'll find out today. Still a bit chesty. Went up Scafell Pike last week in the snow. It's so much more milder now. I'm sweating. But yeah, it really messed my chest up first day out in a while, and picked the biggest mountain, the longest route, the toughest route. But yeah, it really cold air and blowing out my arse obviously. Really it's got on my chest, so I think this is a relaxed way in before big day tomorrow. Fortune in there. Bit preemptive with that last shot. There's a fortune in this one. Well, that's the first waterfall done. I don't know why, I wasn't expecting him to be that huge. Thought it might be one big one. A couple of tiny things in a river, but nope, that was cool. So hopefully all the rest are the same. Impressed so far. So we're up on top now. Didn't realise it got so high, to be honest. Next waterfall is coming up. Where we plan on heading tomorrow. I think it could be just over the other side, but looks pretty cool. Just at the bottom of Whernside now. I think I've walked come off Whernside here. Doing the 3 peaks, which I'd like to do again soon. Get a better time. It's actually quite cold up here. I spoke too soon earlier. Not as cold as up Scafell the other day. Didn't actually film any of that day. I was very tired, kind of hungover. I mean, that didn't last long. The conditions soon blew that out of me. But yeah, just wanted to get through it. Wasn't in the mood for faffing about. However, being outdoors did film the whole thing, so I'll link it in the description. You can see me laughing and bluffing around Scafell. Yeah, it was a long day. 8 hours to do the corridor route. Didn't set off till 10:30, so yeah, it was treacherous, but good fun. And there's Ingleton. Just about not in cloud. That's annoying. Part of me really wants to know what's in the alternate path. I looked at the map, it does meet up, but obviously the waterfall is down there. Well, there's the answer. Not very exciting. So, just back in my little hut now. I lied, I'm actually staying in Lancashire, right on the border with all 3 counties here, so it's very confusing. But yeah, just gonna have something to eat, get in the tub. Good little hike that, a lot more strenuous than I thought it would be, to be honest. I mean, it wasn't by any means a huge hike, but yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. Yeah, a lot more impressive and strenuous than I thought it would be. Definitely worth it. Big day tomorrow, so early night.